Animal testing, the ins and outs, whether it is or is not okay, it's a topic that's been brought up many times over the years, since about the 1960s. Since then, the AWA, or Animal Welfare Act of 1966, was created in order to regulate the welfare of animals within the testing facilities, as well as what animals are and are not protected. Over the years, we've seen several organizations, such as PETA and CAATT, standing up for alternatives to animal testing. Today, I'm going to share a few of those alternatives with you, as well as discuss why the use of animal testing is inhumane and should be halted immediately. As of today, we are seeing animal testing being replaced in many areas. According to an article from crueltyfreeinternational.org, innovations in science have helped in areas such as toxicity testing, neuroscience, and even drug development. Alternatives to animal testing include, but are not limited to, cell cultures, human tissue testing, and computer models, as well as even the safe and non-invasive study of human volunteers. These alternatives can actually provide more accurate results when testing. Human cells and tissue react differently to animal cells and tissue. When running tests on animals and then running the same test on a human, we can actually see around a 20% more accurate number from the human tests. When it comes to animal testing, you can see that animals are often sickened by toxic chemicals and viruses that they are then left in bare cages with. When the experiments end, more often than not, they just wait to die or they're killed. Testing in animals is wrong. Many may not agree because animals are not considered human, and therefore they are not considered to have the same rights. According to Lone Star College's article, Stop Animal Testing, animal testing causes immense amounts of pain and suffering to the experimental animals. And even though alternatives exist, we're still seeing it done every single day. It's unethical. Bottom line, it is. There are ways for everyone to do their part in bringing the end to animal testing, such as buy a cruelty-free cleaner for your home, speak up against companies that use animal testing, and support 100% cruelty-free makeup for those of you that use it. On top of these, there are several other groups that you can support. You can spread the word. We can fix this. Animal testing is just not a necessary evil. Although many don't see issue with animal testing, take a moment. Just ask yourself, how would you feel being poked and prodded, injected with test medications, viruses? How would you feel just waiting in a lonely cage for the end? We have choices. We can change this. We can either change how we're doing things now, or we can continue down the same path. The choice is yours. Just think about it.